I love a good pixie haircut. I think it works especially well for very thin hair like mine, and it gives the appearance of more body and volume. And I think it works really well for any facial shape, from round like Jennifer Goodwin to rectangular like Pink, and even more heart-shaped like Amelia Clark's. The one thing I don't love about pixie cuts is that awkward growing out stage, and I think that's what keeps a lot of women from getting the haircuts. In my opinion, the best way to deal with that awkward growing out phase is keeping the nape of the neck short. I showed you in my last haircutting video how I did my own DIY haircut with buzzers at home, and the goal with that haircut was to provide a sleek transition from the short all over pixie cut and eventually end up with a super short layered slant bob. Let me show you how I did the final transition step between these haircuts. And I have a little fun while I do it too. Yet another DIY haircut, this time without even looking. Hope you enjoy. I have a Night to Shine event tonight and I would just want to trim it up and look better. Hi, I'm Amy over at aimforacreativelife.com. And this is my friend Katie.
Hi!
If you remember my cancer survivorship video, she's the nurse that asked me to do that painting for that. Thank you for inspiring me to do that and for being here today. She is here to actually help me today because I made a silly bet with myself that I was looking in the mirror and I just was not happy with the way this was looking, and I just said to myself that, you know, I bet if I cut my hair with my eyes closed, it would look better than this. So she's gonna help me. Are you done laughing?
Yeah, but I have no hair experience, just to let everyone know.
So I'm not going to be looking at any mirrors, so she's going to be my accountability partner. Make sure you know that I'm not looking at any mirrors while I cut my hair. And obviously I can't cut my hair blindfolded, but I can't see the back of it. So it is going to be what it is, and I'm not going to have time to fix it before this Night to Shine event tonight. So she's gonna be my eyes for me. She's gonna be my lifeline. I might need to phone a friend and ask her how I need to fix it, and I'm just gonna go with it. And we'll see what kind of haircut I end up with. But thanks for being willing to do this with me. So first of all, you can see that there are no reflective surfaces where I'm going to be standing. And Katie, can you verify that? I am not looking at a mirror as I'm cutting my hair.
I can verify that.
Okay, so while she's in the peanut gallery, I'm going to be cutting my hair and she'll be giving reactions, and I'll keep turning around so she can tell me how it's going. So once again, I've got my astronaut thing going on. And I'm pretty confident that I can do this without seeing it because I need it to be a slant bob. It has grown out at least an inch since the last haircut a couple months ago. I just know that I need it to be slanted, so from here I need to go up a little bit and trim from here down. So I'm just gonna get started and she's gonna tell me if I'm really butchering it or not. Okay, here we go. Just gonna go for it. Getting real in here. So Katie, what do you like about your job?
I just like meeting different people and hearing their life stories.
You are a people person, I like that about you. Okay, this could be dangerous. I'm using the skin buzz level, so. So I'm hoping I got the little fuzzies at the bottom of my neck. I don't really know though. So then I'm gonna choose a size 4. Okay, so first of all, reaction. Does it look really bad now, or is it probably hasn't made much of a difference yet?
It doesn't look bad.
Okay, well that's encouraging. And I forgot to say, I'm trying to do this quickly because we only have like 20 minutes before my husband brings back my daughter, and I think this just broke. We'll make it work though. Do you know how it works? And she fixed it, so that's great. Thank you. Okay, let's see. So I found my number 4, and I'm gonna try to buzz it on the lower part to just give it a gradation, I guess. Okay, so does it look like I went to somewhere and got my hair cut? So, does it look like a complete haircut, or do I still have work to do?
It looks pretty good. Let me see. It looks pretty good for doing it without a mirror and.
Okay, so do you think that I should continue updating it to make it a slant bob?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Keep going to try to make it look more like a chic slant bob, Or do you think that it looks okay?
I think it looks okay like that.
So you think I should quit before I do any more damage?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, it feels better. So here's my other question for you. If I don't cut it again at all and it grows out, do you think it would look like I have this funny little bloop at the bottom of my hair if my goal is to have a slant bob? I don't mind going like super short if it means that I'm not gonna have to cut it again for it to grow out into a slant bob.
I think that's short enough. I think about texture, like at the bottom, and then you have one side that needs...
So it's got a little bit of blooping going on?
It's just a little longer, like you didn't shave that part. I would grow out the...
I'm not touching the front. So.
Yeah.
So you're saying like maybe this side is a little bit too long here?
No, it's like against your skin that it's long.
Against my skin. Here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to go back to the skin short.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks better.
Alright. So you would quit here?
You have like one little stray piece that I would cut.
Here?
Yeah. And over there.
Over?
I mean there, and then a little bit over too.
Ooh, that sounded like a big chunk. I wonder if I did it wrong. Like here?
I can't see.
I can't see either. What do you think? Did I get it?
It's not completely even, but...
Okay, well the goal is even. So you mean on the neckline, use this more until it's completely even? Cut this part?
I can't see. Yeah, that part.
Hoping I didn't like get spots that I shouldn't. It's okay? Okay, so what about the layering here? Does this look like a natural layer or should I try to fix it?
I'm scared if you do that.
You don't want me to try? Well, does it look bad this way or does it look like I got my haircut at a salon?
It looks like you got a haircut.
She did not say at a salon.
I know.
Yes, it does look like I got my haircut. Okay, so there does need to be a little bit of adjusting to the layers.
Yeah, but I don't know that I want to do that with
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
You look worried. You gotta make it look right. Okay, so I think the safest way for me to do this is to go down like this. It doesn't do anything. You spooked me out, girl.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. So if I botch it really bad, will you help me make it look good?
Yeah.
So was it the lower part that you thought needed help or the upper part?
Oh god. Oh god.
So you're saying the gradation at the bottom is probably okay. So I found the 3 and I'm gonna just try to even it out based on what she's telling me. And now I'm feeling a little less confident, a little more nervous, but we're gonna go for it. Okay, good or bad?
It actually doesn't look bad.
Okay, then I'm good.
I was concerned. I was really concerned.
I was very concerned too.
Oh god.
I could read the concern on your face. Okay, well then I'm gonna call that good. And in the future, I'm not gonna make such stupid bets with myself, but but that was kind of fun, and sometimes I like to challenge myself to be brave. I might have mentioned before that sometimes I struggle with anxiety, so a lot of times I will give myself a task to do that will get me out of my comfort zone, so thank you for helping me.
Sure.
So once again, for comparison, here's the before, and here's the after. I definitely feel more confident without the long stuff on the neck. So my hope is that this video has given you the confidence to try to update your own hairdo. Again, I was doing this without even looking and it wasn't that bad. So if you have a pair of buzzers and you start around the level 4, you can probably do a decent job updating your hairdo without creating a hair emergency. And if nothing else, I hope this video has entertained you. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this kind of crazy random video, and thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Click subscribe if you haven't before, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is out. I've got a lot more content planned about intentional creative living, and I hope you have a great day. See ya. Bye. Nice cameo, Cody.
Oh my god, silly butt.
Silly butt.
Now I feel like a 5-year-old.
I can tell you have a first grader. So I was... Do you need a minute? You need some glass of water?